we have a packet of, these are Cheery Chews Gummy Rush. These are Gummy Unicorns. They're all the colours possible, aren't they? That is quite the bag, isn't it? Before you. I picked this up because why not? There was a few other flavours, but I went with this one because unicorns, basically. That's the only reason. And yeah, pop this open. Give it a look inside. So there they are. There are the unicorns nestled in the bag. Quite a fruity mix. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay, that's why. Okay. There's an each flavour, so we'll grab one. Pop you down. Here is aforementioned unicorn in all of its bluey purpley glory. It's quite squidgy. Squidgy is good. So let's dive in. So it's definitely blackberry. Good texture. Yep, beef gelatin. So it's halal, but not suitable for the vegetarians amongst us. They're nice. They're really quite good, soft gummies. They are up there. Up there indeed. Not bad. They did have a mixture of varieties. Pleasantly surprised. So I'm going to have a third. That's how I roll. So thanks for watching. If you see these around, let me know. And tell me what you think. Because you can comment and those kind of things, as well as following, liking and sharing. Yeah. It's a wild world of videoing. So, yes. Calm and good night.